Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to learn how to make Anthurium spotting mix by using only 3 media. The first one we have pumice stone, and second one has pine box, and the third one is leca ball, or also known as hydroton. First one we're gonna mix up we're gonna mix up the pine box with pumice stone. And then I forgot to add 1 ratio of perlite. The ratio is 1:1:1. This one, leca ball, we will use as the base of the pot. We will put at the bottom of the pot, and this mix is ready to use to grow your Anthuriums or Monstera because it is chonky and also airy medium. It's not hold the water for a long time. So that's all. Thank you. Okay.